Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we will explore UnitedHealth Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of July, 2025, our system has identified UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.97. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has encountered a loss of 5.70%. This equates to an average loss of 1.90% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests at the lower end of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a promising buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $259.81 be breached, it will primarily signal an accelerated decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of negative 18.92% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between negative 20.82% and positive 0.654%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 39.90%. Based on our estimations, the stock's performance might vary from negative 41.32% to positive 13.11% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $156.10 and $300.92. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, UnitedHealth Group stock upgraded to sell candidate. On the last trading day, the stock price of UnitedHealth Group increased by 1.9%, rising from $261.07 to $266.04. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.3%, ranging from a low of $258.12 to a high of $266.63. Overall, the price has seen ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 9.04% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased by 17 million shares on the last day, with a total of 22 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $5.92 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $630.73, while the lowest price reached $248.88. Currently, the price stands at 57.82%, or $364.69, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group has recently faced significant pressure, with its stock currently regarded as technically oversold at approximately 12 times the estimated profits for the year 2026, alongside a dividend yield of 3.3%, making it appealing to value investors. The company's profitability remains strong, supported by solid sales growth and net earnings. However, rising medical costs and margin pressures continue to challenge its market position. There are signs that sentiment could shift positively if UnitedHealth can effectively manage its medical care ratio and meet profit expectations. In the short term, continued bearish sentiment exists, as reflected in management's cautious revenue guidance, indicating a tough road ahead for the firm's recovery. This creates a precarious situation for investors who may be hesitant to buy amid declining earnings fundamentals. Additionally, notable portfolio moves from market participants, such as Steve Weiss's decision to sell UnitedHealth in favor of another stock, highlight strained investor confidence, which could further weigh on the stock's performance. In the long term, despite the current turmoil and market pessimism, analysts upgrading the stock's rating to a strong buy based on long-term growth potential and resilient fundamentals suggest an eventual recovery. If UnitedHealth successfully implements premium repricing and cost control measures, this could stabilize its earnings and uplift its stock price over time. particularly in a market correcting towards more favorable valuations. The potential for a turnaround story remains contingent on the management's ability to execute strategic improvements, significantly affecting both investor sentiment and future stock performance. Analyst ratings reveal important insights. On Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned UnitedHealth Group an overweight grade, accompanied by a hold action. On the same day, the 30th of July, 2025, KeyBank also gave UnitedHealth Group an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of July, 2025, Barclays reported an overweight grade for UnitedHealth Group with a hold action. On that same Thursday, UBS assigned a buy grade to UnitedHealth Group, also with a hold action. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, UBS again rated UnitedHealth Group with a buy grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned UnitedHealth Group stock a general neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is also rated as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is considered a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.9%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume fell during the last trading day despite price gains, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The UnitedHealth Group stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $278.07 and $298.54. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands also indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 7 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages displayed a buy signal 14 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average recorded a sell signal 72 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 67 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $261.07, which may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support level is tested. The stock experiences average daily movements, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $8.51 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.3%. Throughout the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 3.21%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future growth, or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 21st of October, 2025. Analysts currently estimate earnings to be $4.93 per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $274.35. If you do not hold any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already invested in the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, UnitedHealth Group faces its first support level at $261.07. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On July 1st, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley conducted an insider purchase of 198 shares of common stock. On July 1st, 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. On July 1st, 2025, Michelle J. Hooper conducted an insider purchase of 173 shares of common stock. On July 1st, 2025, Frederick William McNabb III conducted an insider purchase of 294 shares of common stock. On July 1st, 2025, John H. Noseworthy conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 93.740. Overall, insiders purchased 873,925 shares and sold 11,097 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative assessment for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group presents several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend. We anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Our analysis conclusion has been revised from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, July 31st, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open lower by $2.44, starting at $263.60. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It's important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you enjoy a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.